Hello, in this video I'm going to be reviewing the Vocaster 1 Studio. You may have watched my first video that I uploaded here on the King Bank RAM kits, and yeah, the audio is out of sync. It was an absolute mess, so I'm hoping that this will be the solution and will take care of all my audio problems. So what we have here is the box. I've not opened this one yet, but I do know what I'm expecting. You get this cardboard casing. You get the microphone, and this is heavy. Much heavier than I was expecting. You get the mixer, manual, the XLR cable, USB to USB-C cable for audio data transfer, and I think finally, there's one more as well. You get the headphones. I'll take these things out in a second. And you get this little mounting bracket for the microphone. You just slot it in. Get this as well. So this is everything you get in the box. This is the the audio mixer. What you get on here is the power button, USB-C, audio out. This is to output the audio that you're recording directly into your camera. It would make synchronizing your audio between your camera and your audio recorder so much easier. You get left and right outputs as well if you want to plug it into external speakers. A amplifier for that. Host. This is where you plug in your microphone. 48V phantom power. So if you do have a condenser mic, you can press on that. I'm not sure what this is, and then you get a Kensington lock as well. You get a headphone out on the front as well, and then you get these nice dials, 3 buttons as well. Headphones. They've got an elastic band. They have some really good spring action to it. So these will just clamp onto your ear cups. And then you get this as well. You can unscrew it. You also get the cable. You get this again. Shown it before. You get the microphone, which is really, really heavy. This is a dynamic microphone, but it's got some real heft to it. And then you get this cable as well, which you can just plug in. Hi, so I've got everything plugged in now. Here's the receiver itself, and I'm just going to play around with the dials a bit. So you've got the mute button, pressing that now. It turns red when you press the mute button. You've got the magic wand. It processes your voice. I'm just going to press it and see what happens. So pressing once. This is how I sound now. Pressing again. And yeah, the light just, when you press it, the light turns green. When you press it again, it just goes blank. I think you can program this on the PC if you install a software, which I will look into in a bit. And then you've got these 3 buttons over here. These 3 buttons over here. Not sure what it does. Hello, testing the microphone. It's gone orange now and it's flashing orange. Pressing it again. Okay. Then you've got this dial over here, which likely controls the output volume if you plug in your headphones, which I haven't done yet. And this over here, which affects the gain. So this is me putting it onto max gain, and this is me slowly lowering the gain. And now I'm turning the gain back up again very, very slowly, so you can see what that does. I wanted to show you the Vocaster Hub software, which is used to interact with the audio receiver. You can adjust the gain, which can go all the way up to 70 decibels from the application itself. You also get auto gain, which will just automatically adjust it. So if There you go. I want it a bit lower. Unmute and enhance. You've got 4 different effects: radio, clean, warm, and bright. You've got a little mix here for controlling the different volumes. If you can turn on phantom power as well by pressing on this little button here, and if you click on this, you can change the compression. So you can turn the compression off or on, and you can also adjust the bass, mid, and treble as well. So my thoughts on this is that it's very small. I can just put it on my desk, tuck it away somewhere. It doesn't take up much space, and also it gives me the versatility to just plug in any XLR microphone that I want, whether it's a dynamic mic or one that requires phantom power. It also offers up to 70 decibels of gain, which is which is quite a lot to play with, and the built-in equalizer as well is quite handy just for adjusting your voice, whether you want more bass or more treble, or just enhancing how you sound. The compression that you can do on the Vocaster hub as well is a nice include, which is especially useful if you're recording vocals or just podcasting like I will be with this. So of course you can get all-in-one USB microphones, but as I was saying earlier, this offers you a ton of versatility. You can plug in any microphone you want, and yeah, you won't get that with an all-in-one kit. I would like to give a special shout out to Venus Protocol for supplying me with a grant. This item was purchased using their grant fund. We will be organising a esports event, so if you're a competitive gamer and want a chance to represent a project and maybe win some prize money, be sure to sign up at www.virtuhub.com. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.